Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne, and I'm here with another unboxing. This shit from, I don't know how to say this, Manalapan, New Jersey, all the way to South Bend, Indiana. As always, thanks a lot for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, and check out some of my other unboxings. I have thousands. I'm a big collector. I'm assuming this is an action figure. Offhand, I'm not sure. I do buy, I do collect, I do sell. I do give, so there's always that. So we got some bags. Oh yeah. So this is one of the absolute rarest wrestling DVDs in history. From Total Nonstop Action Wrestling, which is now Impact Wrestling. This is 3 Live Crew. The best of three live crew featuring Conan, BG James, and Ron Killings. Conan, you know, is Conan. BG James is, you know, Brian Armstrong or Road Dogg Jesse James on WWE. And R-Truth, Ron Killings. So this is one of the rarest wrestling DVDs there is. This is definitely, I would say, the rarest Impact DVD there is. It's hard to really gauge how rare Impact DVDs are. I mean, I don't want to say people aren't collecting it. Wow, this is... But it's a 2-disc DVD set. And it's at their 3 Live Crew's best right here. This is a super duper rare one that's probably sold for $500. It's crazy to think people are actually spending that much, but they do. I didn't. But yeah, this is rare. Definitely the rarest Impact DVD. I would say it's in the top 5, if not the number 2 or so, after the True Stratisfaction Guaranteed FYE exclusive. That's probably one of the rarest, if not the rarest. So let me know what you guys think. Yeah, this is now my second copy. I own 2. I'm pretty excited. If you're a big DVD collector, Blu-ray collector of wrestling, I mean, I have a lot of Blu-rays and DVDs of regular movies and TV series, but I haven't been buying recently. I've had to cut back drastically. But I still do collect the occasional wrestling DVD and Blu-ray. Yeah. This is for sale. I mean, if you want to send me a best offer, let me know. Leave a comment below, and yeah, we'll see what we can do. Cash at me at London Hawthorne. Use my username London Hawthorne at sites like riptapparel.com. That's riptapparel.com. Onceuponat.net. Save $3 or more off every single shirt. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you're a rare DVD collector, what do you think? Have a great day.